Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of noisy vacuums disrupting your daily life? The eufy Robot Vacuum 11S Max is here to change that. This powerful and compact device is a game changer, with its sleek wood finish and ability to handle king-size messes. One of the most impressive features of the eufy Robot Vacuum 11S Max is its compact and quiet operation, with a slim 2.85-inch profile that glides effortlessly across your floors, offering a comprehensive clean without causing a disturbance, making it perfect for use at any hour. You can barely hear it, it's as quiet as a microwave. Many customers have fallen in love with this product and it's well reviewed. People just can't get enough of its ability to navigate through their homes with ease. The eufy Robot Vacuum comes with BoostIQ Technology, which adjusts suction within 1.5 seconds for optimal cleaning on any surface, whether it's hardwood or carpet. It's like having your own personal cleaning assistant. With its extended cleaning performance, it can run up to 100 minutes on hardwood floors, providing powerful and consistent suction for a thorough clean. The adaptive suction power is also a major plus. It can detect different surfaces and adjust its suction power accordingly, so you get a deeper clean without any effort. The anti-scratch tempered glass top cover and infrared sensor for evading obstacles also give you peace of mind, knowing that your device is protected and efficient. Whether you're a busy professional or a stay-at-home parent, this vacuum is perfect for keeping your home clean and tidy. It's a must-have for anyone who wants a hassle-free cleaning experience. So why wait? Get your hands on the eufy Robot Vacuum 11S Max today and experience the power of quiet and efficient cleaning. You won't regret it. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.